How do we prepare our children for a future we can't fully predict? A Harvard study found 58% of young adults feel their lives lack meaning. This void is directly linked to soaring rates of anxiety and depression. The research is clear. A strong sense of purpose is a shield for mental health. We'll break down the science, bust the myths, and show you the Ikigai Parenting method. First, let's examine what most of us are doing and why it often backfires. Myth 1. Rewards motivate. Fact: overusing rewards can extinguish a child's genuine passion. Myth 2. Praise talent. Saying you're smart creates fear. Praising effort builds resilience. The goal is not compliance, it's cultivating intrinsic motivation, the sustainable drive from within. Internally motivated kids don't just try harder, they learn deeper and solve problems better. But what is going on inside the teenage brain that makes this period so formative for purpose? It's the prefrontal cortex, the brain's CEO. It's under massive construction during the teen years. Simultaneously, their brain's motivation and reward systems are supercharged, creating a hunger for meaning. This heightened sensitivity can be channeled away from empty thrills to purposeful acts if guided correctly. Here's a new finding. The teen brain isn't just pruning, it's also forming new high-density connections. This means the teen years are a unique window. The search for purpose is a biological imperative. So the science is set. The opportunity is there. How do we do this? Enter Ikigai Parenting. Ikigai is a Japanese concept for a reason for being. It's about helping a child find their own way. We guide them to find joy, build strengths, and embrace growth, to contribute with purpose and create a life that feels steady, meaningful, and their own. It starts small. A child lost in joyful play is showing you the seed of purpose. Our job is to notice. If a child loves art, they can share it with a neighbor or friend. This connects personal joy to contribution. This framework appears simple, but there's a common mistake almost everyone makes when teaching purpose. You cannot lecture a child into having a purpose. Psychologists are clear. Purpose is caught, not taught. They learn by watching us in our own purposeful lives and by us following their tiny sparks of interest. Think back to rewards. A lecture is just another external pressure. Real purpose must be found from within. And this internal compass has big benefits. A child with purpose needs less social media validation. Now, let's connect all the dots, the brain science, the motivation errors, and the Ikigai solution. Do you recall the teen brain is actively building new pathways, and that purpose is caught from our behavior? This means our modeled actions are the raw materials our kids use to build their neural pathways for meaning. This isn't a soft skill. The creativity and self-direction grown from purpose are what future jobs will demand. Which brings us back to the deadline. Why is this more pressing in 2026 than ever before? In 2026, our kids are facing a world increasingly dominated by AI. The most valuable skills will be the most human ones. Ikigai parenting is no longer just a nice idea. It's a core strategy for raising resilient, well-adjusted children. The answer to the crisis of purposelessness, the anxiety and depression, is not more pressure to achieve. It's a deeper invitation to contribute. So tonight, ask, what problems do you want to solve? Discover more in The Little Book of Ikigai Parenting.